Hey guys, this is how to make a gift card holder out of one sheet of paper. It's very secure so your gift card will not fall out, and all you do is open it here, and then you can even write a note inside as well. It's kind of like a card and a gift card holder in one. If you've been subscribed to my YouTube channel for a while, you've probably seen a very similar video, and that folding method is great for letters that you just want to make into an envelope, but if you tried to put a gift card in it, the gift card would just fall out and it's not secure at all. So in this video, it's going to be very similar to that one, but there are some slight modifications to make it appropriate for a gift card. Start with your piece of paper and fold down one corner. Then fold over the short edge. Then flip over the piece of paper so you're on the completely smooth side and fold up the bottom, but leave some space between the corner and the edge that you just folded up. Now fold over and press down about 1 centimeter from the right edge. Now open up this pocket and squash down the bottom corner. Make sure you open up the pocket with 2 long flaps. Now fold down and squash down the top. Make sure your folds look like this. Take your gift card and slide it into this pocket. On this triangular flap, you can draw an arrow and write gift card for you or gift card here so that they know where to look. If you don't write it, they should also be able to feel it. You can also write a message in this space right here. Keep in mind that if you write anything in this particular area, it will show up on the outside of the envelope when you finish folding everything. Now flip over everything and fold back this crease that we made earlier. This crease could go forward like it used to, but then it would make that one piece really thick and it might come undone accidentally. Now go back to the other side and fold over the triangular flap. The top part didn't come out so smooth, so I just tucked in that one jagged part. Now I'm tucking in the entire flap and I'm using a pen to write an arrow and also to write lift here. You can also write to and from on the front. So that concludes how to make this gift card holder envelope. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.